Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. The Greenville update is finally out. Now, we're going to do the map focus things first. So, let's start with the highway. Now, I've already explored it. Nothing new to me. Because, just so I know where I'm going, I don't contact. But, here's some new, I think these are new trees. I know there are new trees, so I'm not sure which one. Let's head to the highway. Go down here. This is new. And it just becomes the same dead end. So flush. All of this is the old kind, and then all that's the new kind with the bridge. It's just so smooth to get back onto the original road. I can't even tell. If you guys don't remember, there was like an intersection, bumps, and then there was some hotel, and then past that, there was a road that led to the B&B and dealership. Then there would be a dead end. Now we have this dip, then the tunnel, back up. You can actually get some air on that dip there. I'll show in a second. The new Lean S7, which I'll show at the end of the video as well, like a review. Then you got the steep hill. Like my Tundra only tops out at 177 kilometers an hour. Look how fast you can get with this hill. You get up to like 250. It's actually insane. Okay, let's go 250. Like, get some air. I'll show you. With the new sling. Alright, let's just swing out here. So yeah, let's get off the highway here. So they kept the old city lights, but they revamped it so much. It's really nice, and I really love it. I'm going onto the highway with the Twingo here. I haven't done it with the Twingo, but it's just really, really cool. Oh, you can sort of go around these corners pretty fast. When you go spin out. But getting onto the highway is pretty cool. Speed limit's 70 miles an hour. I usually just cruise at about 120. There's this new highway here. And some cars, like my Land Cruiser, actually struggle up this hill. Like this thing was struggling a little bit. It wasn't losing speed, it only lost about 6 kilometers an hour. Where my Land Cruiser will actually just lose like 40. If I go down here, this is just a normal car stop. So if we go in here, Wisconsin rest area, you can get an ice cream, a drink, transformer. I know that's body shop, and this is decoy deploy. Satisfied? We value your feedback about this rest area. Take our survey by scanning the QR code with your smart device. You go up here, there's... Wait a minute, can I get on that move? Pretty sure, yeah. Ooh. You gotta yield or keep playing. Send. So we got our first bridge. There's the water. Now, this is the, I think, only other rest stop that is different to the others. It's like the own version of Lucky's sort of thing. You got next stop here. You got the they stole some balls from Target and painted them concrete color. You got everything you would probably need. You got yellow blocks. You got grey blocks. Oh my god, they have green blocks. They even have small brown blocks. Then you got hotels. And this is what it looks like. Bathroom. I like how small it is. This would be perfect to last you one night. Not touching it. Yes, I can. Really take it. We'll tap left to get to the corner up here. Let's see how it takes it. Pretty well. I'm not touching it. Here's the racetrack now. This is where you get air that there, so I need a big run off. What, does it jump there? I didn't know that. Got this massive sidewall here. My god! Oh, and I flipped. Okay. Down a sec. Right. Hey. Yeah. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, now, how much air you can get on this thing. It's full town now. Also, if you get some slow cars, like this BMW that has 86 horsepower, it actually can't make it up the hill. So it does an automatic, by the way. Not very good. I am losing speed in first gear. And I'm on back now. Wow. Watch downhill speed. Nah. Oh my god. That's the fire station I've been struggling to find. Whoa. It's the fire station. There's the pole. What's in here? Oh, it's bunk beds. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. And you got Brookmere Autos. It looks like Ron's and Roadmap have a new competitor, Americano. Clock doesn't work. No. Seasonal. That's nice. Oh yes. Oh, Nakarima. That's what I was supposed to say. I was saying it wrong the whole time. It's on Nakarima. Okay. So yeah, you got Mountain Castle, Farmer Farnsworth, Gift of New Farm Advertising. And we got British Fish and Chips. Wow, okay. Be careful stairs. What's being careful mean? This is the second story to this. Fish and chips. Yeah, 3 trillion photos right now. More British flags. Look at the British fish and chips thing. Your total comes out to $859. Swim Shady. Well, that's an interesting way to get into a parking spot. The break chat, fun. So there's actually a leak photo of this, but I like it. Love every day. Love beyond words. Live every moment. What if you're a really tall person, you just go, boom, and you hit it. Brookmere Park, which you know what I mean. Oh, I might be stuck. Yeah, I don't think I'm making this. I'm not making it back up. Watch out, everybody! How did I not flip? Oh, we got public parking garage. My god, so close. You go up there to get to the new house. No! Get the new house there. I'm not gonna go into details because it's gonna take absolutely forever. I'm on a bit of a limited time frame. We got the first mansion in Greenville. Actually, no. A frame house. What? Please tell me you saw that. Watch downhill speed. Nah. Downhill speed. Oh crap.
Maybe I should have listened to that.
Then you got the driving experience center. If you go, it's alright. Barely any wheel spin at all. But if you turn around, you can press E. So I'll show it on my Land Cruiser now. So if I launch, look how much wheel spin it does now. It's wheel spin. There's also an off-road track, which I'll go up here to demonstrate. I'm actually gonna get the defender out. Right here. We got an insane angle on this part right here. Oh. No. Okay. Yeah. That's close. Go around here. I don't see anything. Go around the bridge. Turn around here. That's the hole. Then here, yup, mountain. We go around the corner, then you go like river crossing, lake crossing thing, it's like a perfect depth. Excuse me, I'd like to get here. Maybe it wasn't. Oh. Now there's a waterfall. And there, my friend, is the waterfall. I'll show you the tunnel now. This is cool. Voila, we're back at home. Alright, 2017 LM. 282 miles an hour, 1,300 horsepower. Not the thing for $1 million. Rear-wheel drive, following pitch, it's actually a lot. That's much horsepower. 2 seats, not toilet this one. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, still kind of heavy. No water control. And we have the Jaguar T-Type, 1961, for $107,000. Got a lot of colours here. My favorite blue, probably blonde. Of course, it's still blue. That's 128 miles an hour, 365 horsepower. I got a Defender. $60,900, 96 miles an hour top speed, 182 miles an hour, 13 miles an hour, same as first. So literally just barely better than the swing. Got black, probably not my favourite colours in this. And yellow, which is another favourite. Got my white, which I like. Race racing green, and red. I actually really like red. So I got mine in custom blue. We got the 4 series. We got the WP all-wheel drive for 45,093 colours. 137 mile an hour top speed, so 55 horsepower. You got the W4042 all-wheel drive for $64,995. 155 mile an hour top speed, horsepower. And you got 4 series for Enduro, they put the handguards, same trim, expensive, yeah. And got The M4 87,299 goals, 210 goals, which I think is less than the base game series, but also, yeah, it is. What? Anyway, 185 mile an hour top speed, or 87 km. Then we look at the electric core series. You can get the real drive 25 for $53,995. That's 145 miles an hour, 282 horsepower electrical motor. Oil drive 40, $58,095. 145 miles, yeah, basically Sleeper, W50, 67,900. 100 basic horsepower, 158 mile an hour top speed. So what I'm going to be reviewing is going to be the Celine, Jaguar, Defender, 4 Series, and the M4. So let's go to the directory. Alright, the right on this thing. Not bad, not bad. Dude, let's go. This thing's fast, right? The M4 in terms of acceleration. I don't know. That's Hey. 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one, go. Wow, this thing's so blisteringly fast. Done after an hour and a half so doing this unedited. I am finally done with the video. Anyway guys, see ya.